Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is another state started this registration for NEET PG 2022, that's Tamil Nadu, and it was expected that Tamil Nadu last year also had started registration before all India. So one by one many states have started the registration process. I'll tell you about the fee structure and the eligibility criteria in Tamil Nadu, what are different types of quota and who are eligible for NRI, and what is the tuition fee structure and what are the chances to get the seat there, expected cutoff and all such things. Okay, so before we start, we are still uh, giving you the paid counseling guidance, and our slots are open. So make it like soon, because you don't have to make it to up to last day when the choice filling or the seat matrix is published, because by that time all the counselors will be busy doing analysis, because we get a very small period of time to do the analysis, because they publish the seat matrix just like 1 or 2 days before. So if you are looking for paid counseling guidance, this is the right time, because we can do the analysis and can answer all your queries you have until now before the counseling starts, and you will be in comfortable zone. Okay, you can download our application in order to purchase the paid counseling guidance. Application is available for Android and iOS, and you can also visit our website neetmentor.co.in. You can join Telegram group as well. Okay, so this is the notification. Directorate of Medical Education, which is the authority to conduct the counseling process in Tamil Nadu. Okay, admission to PG, MD, MS and MDS diploma in Tamil Nadu government colleges and self-financing. DNP broad specialty, post MBBS, post diploma. Okay, is open and is for, see, I'll tell you, there are three types of quota there. One is government quota in private colleges, and the second is management quota in private college, and third is NRI quota in private college. Self-financing or private college, both are same, the terminology is different. Okay, so the registration will commence around 12 noon today. Okay, and it will going on until 5 p.m. up to 26th of August. There is a process of sending the documents through courier, okay, onto the address. Okay, this is the address given the secretary selection committee. Completed printout of the filled online application form along with the necessary documents which will be provided in the prospectus. You need to take the printout of it, and self attested copy of the other necessary document need to be uh, sent to this address, and the last date of receiving the application, when they will be receiving the application, is all for the verification purpose. By 29th they should receive. It's not like by 29th you can send. So you have to make sure that you send it by 25th or 26th, and that is the last date of submission. And talking about the quota, so Tamil Nadu is an open state, and the candidates who are from other states can also apply for Tamil Nadu state counseling. For MBBS also it is open state. The tuition fee there officially is around 14.5 lakhs, and there are minority colleges as well for Christian minority, Malayalam minority. But for NRI, the candidates, only those candidates whose immediate parent are NRI, they are eligible. Means they need to have a relationship with the sponsor as first degree blood relation, means their parents. Okay, then only they can apply for NRI. In NRI, the cutoff is really good. Means in just qualifying also, last year it happened that candidates got general medicine kind of subject after cutoff revision. Okay, so the cutoff is very good there. You can expect a top clinical subject in just qualifying score in NRI category, and the tuition fee is also just 25 lakhs per year. So that's amazing. But there is restriction. The cutoff goes low due to the factor that there is limitation in NRI criteria. Regarding management quota, the tuition fee is 14.5, but you have to make sure that you inquired the exact tuition fee about the colleges you are filling up, because most of the colleges will demand additional hidden fee when you go for joining there, and that too in cash. Okay, so that's the reality. Okay, I need to inform all such things because it's reality. But on the paper they show that is 14.5 lakhs per year. There are other colleges like CMC Vellore. Okay, CMC Vellore admission also happens through Tamilnadu State Counseling. Okay, for their cutoff is different, and there is minority quota as well. So for all these things, you have to first download the application form. You have to fill it online on tnhealth.tngov.in or on tnmedicalselection.org. Okay, so it will be available online, not offline. You have to submit the application online, then after submission the last page you have to take the printout which confirms that the application submitted, and then with the necessary documents you have to send it. Sending the application to the address the secretary of selection committee is mandatory, otherwise your application will be rejected. And after the verification they will be listing out the verified candidate list on the website. Okay, there is no security deposit as such, but later they will ask you to deposit the security. Okay, so this is all about Tamil Nadu State Counseling. Now let me remind you which state has started the registration. State first, Pondicherry, they started registration, completed the registration. Second state, Kerala, tomorrow is the last date for registration. And then third state, Andhra Pradesh, both Cat A and Cat B. For Cat A, 23rd is the last date, and for Cat B, 29th is the last date. Punjab has also started its registration, and now Tamil Nadu. Okay, so they are making sure that by 1st of September they have at least closed their registration process, and then only you need to do the choice filling. That will be happening after All India first round result is published. Okay, so totally 6 registrations have started, and you can expect by 1st of September some more states will commence their registration process, because this year it will be going in very fast paced manner, so they won't be having sufficient time. As we have seen in past that during the registration, due to some problem, they had to extend the registration date by few days. So they want to cover it all before time. Okay, regarding EWS case hearing, so it is still pending in the Supreme Court, and they have given next date as on 30th September. It's bad to hear that why this matter is delayed so much, because on 1st of September you are saying that your registration is starting, and on 30th of August you are going to give the decision on it. What happens in case that day some of the stakeholders who are mandatorily should be available is not available, then the matter can get delayed, and then they have no option to no option other than postponing the or like rescheduling the All India Counseling schedule. Okay, so that's one thing about EW's case, but it doesn't have so much of hurdle. But coming to NMC bill, the High Court of Madras has reserved the judgment. Okay, it means that no further hearing will happen, but depending on some of the documents that they need, or some of the submissions which is required for the judges to decide that what should be the decision, final decision or final outcome. So they have reserved the judgment depending on all the inputs that they are waiting for. They will give judgment maybe next week, Monday or Tuesday. Okay, on other hand, 20th is the last date for all the institutes to submit the seats on Intra MCC website portal for a decision of the seat matrix. 20th is the last date, and 27th was the last date for LOP this year. By 27th all the approval process should complete, but they asked the colleges to submit the LOP seats, means letter of permission, those seats where letter of permission is received by 20th. So it is expected that this year they might release the seat matrix early, and the remaining seat might get added in round 2. This is just kind of introspection, okay, from my side. So many things are in progress, and you should definitely get in active mode. If you're on vacation or something, don't take it lightly. Registrations are starting. Maybe you might miss the registration for your state, because usually it happens that after all India registration only other state will start the registration, but this year is different, okay, and we have to go by the current trend, not based on last year. So please make sure that you are doing the registration which you are supposed to do. Otherwise, in some other state, you won't be given an opportunity to do the registration in the second round. Okay, so with this note, I am concluding the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.